A year ago, with the uncertainty of a global pandemic, we cautiously launched Archetype and began our mission to make stylish, mechanical timepieces as affordable as possible. We were thrilled by the response we received with over 2,400 backers who supported our first 3 collections. We're back with 2 new incredible designs that, unlike smartwatches, require no batteries to recharge and no software updates. An Archetype watch uses pure mechanical energy that is generated as you wear it. These automatic watches come to life and gain power the moment you put them on your wrist. With our first designs, we cut away the dials so you can see the oscillating balance wheel while you wear your watch. We've taken that up a notch and are proud to reveal the Caspian Automatic, featuring dual balance wheels, a first for Archetype. The 2 balance wheels are surrounded by a beautiful guilloche dial with the time telling elevated above it. Our next model, the Loyalist Automatic, also features another first for us, a big date and calendar complication. The dial is reminiscent of vintage timepieces with a convex dome shape and hand-applied indices. Each Archetype timepiece will be individually numbered and carefully hand-assembled with high-quality materials. 316L stainless steel, genuine leather straps, and a scratch-resistant crystal. Using Kickstarter for our marketing allows us to offer these incredible machines at the lowest possible price. At Archetype, we think it's so much cooler to have a machine on your wrist with moving parts that will outlast any smartwatch. Back our project today and get the best deal possible on these incredible timepieces.